Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Medico Sister. So today I will share about my board experience. I have currently given class 12 boards from science stream which started in 3rd March and ended in 17th March. I had physics, chemistry, math, biology, Bengali and English. My exam started with Bengali exam and I have never read Bengali throughout the year. From 28th February, I have started Bengali. In our Bengali book, there are two parts. One is Shahityer Itihash and another is our textbook. So it is told that Shahityer Itihash is very tough, but it is not so tough. I have read suggestive and I got common from that suggestion, and short questions are not also tough. And regarding writing, I have not read writing, I have made the writing myself. So Bengali paper went good. Regarding Bengali, I want to say that read the texts carefully, because short questions come from line that who said this to whom, then you cannot understand because all the dialogues are similar and you cannot guess that. So you have to read the textbook. And regarding question answers, if you read the textbook, then you can easily make the answers on your own. It does not depends that whether you are writing with hard words or simple words. If your answer is correct, then you will get number in boards exam. Regarding English, I want to say that I have read the text thoroughly. We have eight chapters and one drama. So I have read and English is same. I have not read English for the whole year, and I have read English only one day before exam. And our English is quite easy than CBSE board, I think, as because West Bengal board is mainly Bengali for Bengali medium schools. So English is comparatively easier than CBSE board in West Bengal board, that I think. But Bengali is tougher than CBSE board as they do not have Shahityer Itihash, and very few chapters are there from in Bengali in their syllabus. So in West Bengal board, Bengali is comparatively tougher than CBSE board. So regarding English, I want to say that I have read the at first I have read the text thoroughly, and if you cannot understand some words or you need some description then of the lines of the poems, then you can watch YouTube videos. There are many YouTube videos which explain the which explain the poems in very simple easy way to you in YouTube video in animation mode, so that you can easily understand. So you can use YouTube for your preparation. Then I have bought a means reference book for Ray and Martin, and then I have read the question answers from that. And I used to follow Shamrat exclusive for English suggestion, and GM Creation channel also gives suggestion that are also very helpful. Means you can get many common from that suggestion. So I have followed that GM Creations and Shamrat exclusive, and I have made a suggestion list. Then I have read that question and answers, only that particular question and answers from my reference book Ray and Martin. But I have read the textbook thoroughly, as because short questions can come from anywhere and you cannot guess that. But if you read the textbooks thoroughly, then you will not be you will be correct. You will not get you will not lose marks. Regarding question answers, I want to say that at first you have to mention that the above line is taken from the text name written by the writer. So you have to mention this. Then using a black ball pen, make a bullet and then write the next part of the answer. And your handwriting must be clean, and there should be a sufficient gap so that it seems that the answer is quite big. So this is one technique that you can use in your boards exam. If you have time, you can draw margin. I have not drawn any margin, and margin does not matter. If you fold the pages, then it is okay. You need not to waste time regarding the margin. Regarding grammar, I want to say that you can read that PC dash red blue blue which is this much thick. So that is very helpful. If you cannot understand grammar, then you can see YouTube videos. And next that the book you can read once, So it is very written in simple language. Grammar usually comes easy in West Bengal board, not much very tough. And regarding comprehension you have to increase your reading capacity, so that the comprehension, from comprehension you get good marks. You have to read the newspaper. If you are beginner, then you can read newspaper, but I had not any time. I have done the comprehension on exam. So if you are very weak at comprehension, so you can read the newspapers, and from that you can increase your vocabulary power. So newspapers are very important. If you have time, then you can read newspaper. As because I was from science stream, so I had not very much time. Regarding physics, chemistry and biology and math, my preparation of math was not good. Physics, chemistry and biology I have given a lot of time, so I had not any much enough time to give time to Bengali, English and maths. So I have to make it before the exams. So if you have time, then you can read the newspapers, and from newspapers pick out the hard words and search the meaning in either Google or dictionary, and then you will get the meanings and then write it in a diary. It will be a notebook of hard words that you cannot understand, and by this way you can increase your vocabulary power, and you can use these hard words in your writing to enhance your writing quality, which will make your writing very beautiful. So we had 3 hours 15 minutes of time, and in English and Bengali we had 80 marks. From project and oral there was 20 marks, and in remaining subject we had 3 hours 15 minutes, and there were 70 marks, and we had 14 MCQs and 4 SAQs in physics, chemistry and biology. So regarding writing is not very much tough. You can see the some writings of PC Das, the format, and you have to write the writing in your own. But you, to see the format, to understand your vocabulary power, to increase your vocabulary power, to write in an organized way, you must read the PC Das writings once a time before the exam. Or PK Mukherjee is also good. So, and Wren and Martin High School is also very good for English. So for writing you can do this. In our writing, in our class 12 in West Bengal board, we had notice, there was no notice, letter, then story, there was story, letter, there was advertisement, there was prose, no prose not, précis. You have to summarize that. My précis was not so very much good, so there was 3 options, you have to write only one. So I have done the report writing, which was good for me, as because I cannot do the précis in a very much good way, and I used to get less marks in précis. So I have done the report writing in my final boards exam. If you follow these tips, then you can easily score good marks in English. So this was my Bengali and English preparation, and by this way I have enhanced my preparation. My Bengali and English paper went good. Then I had the weakest subject, that is physics, and in physics I have wasted my full time, and I cannot give any time to other subjects. So physics I am also weak. So but physics exam went quite good, as because it was easy, and according to me, that the questions that schools make in tests are very much tough, and you must not lose any confidence regarding that school test. Boards exam is very much easy than test, but it is also tough. It is but you have to continue, you have to maintain consistency in physics. You have to do numericals, and don't believe in others' words that you cannot do. You have to do, and you know your potential power. Every day you have to make your physics, read your physics theory part, practice your numericals. And in boards there are very much theory, so practice the theory. In West Bengal board, from theory there was 50%, so I tried to score that 50% in physics boards, and remaining numericals, regarding that, if I can do it is good, but if I cannot do it does not matter, as because I have did my best regarding physics. But I expect that I will get 80 above in main boards exam in 100. So physics is about practicing. The preparation of physics is never gets completed. So physics according to me is toughest subject, but if you try you can do well. Regarding chemistry, I want to tell that chemistry I cannot understand in class 11. My very weak subject was chemistry, and then I started to look the PW Pankaj sir, then that physical chemistry sir, Sudhanshu Kumar sir, their lectures, and I made notes. And then Mohit Dadich sir for inorganic chemistry, then I have made notes from that, and I used to read that, and then I used to practice the West Bengal board test paper, that is ABTA test paper, WBTA test paper. I cannot do much pages because of my health issues. My health was extremely bad, so between this I have did my best. So I have practiced only 1 to 2 pages of WBTA, WBHA, ABTA, but I used to read their notes regularly. And if you can do the DPPs, it is good, but if you cannot do, then don't do, as because if you have not very much time, you only read the make the notes, then then do the ABTA, WBTA, your Chaya reference books exercises, and tell your teacher to mark the important points from your Chaya textbook, as because it is this much thick and it is not possible to memorize whole thing, as because there are many much things extra that are not required for boards in Chaya. So tell your teachers to summarize that. If your study material is less, so you can revise more times and your output will be better. So regarding organic, I used to read, and I used to do the chart, and I used to paste it in wall. You can see that my wall is pasted with organic chemistry. So I used to revise that continuously. So my organic chemistry went good. Physical chemistry was easy. Inorganic was also easy, but I did not get time to read inorganic like P block before exam. One thing to say that in CBSE board there are 10 chapters in chemistry, but in West Bengal board there are 16 chapters. Extra 6 chapters are also included, so you have to read the whole. So P block was not ready. I even did not score much in P block in boards, so it was all marks were cut in inorganic P block. So P block I have to read, but Mohit Dadich sir explained it very good way. So I will suggest that if you watch Mohit Dadich's lectures, sir's lecture, then your concepts will be clear and you can easily memorize, you can easily grab it. People used to tell that science is all about understanding concept, but according to me, at first you have to understand the concept, then you have to memorize it, as because if you do not memorize after understanding, then you will forget and you cannot write anything in exams. So you have to at first understand, then you have to memorize. So this was all about chemistry exam. In chemistry there was 70 marks and time was 3 hours 15 minutes. So I think in chemistry also I will get 80 above in 100. So chemistry went in such a way. Regarding maths preparation, I cannot say anything because I have not prepared well for my maths exam. I have not taken it seriously. I have chosen that math will be my fourth subject. I have not practiced anything throughout the year, because my whole time went in preparing physics, chemistry, and my health issues are also not good. And I will not give JE or maths regarding any exams. I will have only physics, chemistry, biology in my competitive exams. So I have not taken maths seriously, and my boards exam is only for I will get maths only passing marks. So I cannot suggest anything about your maths preparation. Now comes biology. Biology is easy subject, but you have to memorize the whole things, whole diagram, and so that you can get good marks. For MCQs, I would say that I would strongly recommend that if you read the textbooks, then you can get good marks. But I had not many much time. My health issues, due to my health issues, all were due to my health issues. As because I was ill, I cannot do good in boards. I knew the techniques, I knew the strategy, I had the sources, I had the materials, I had my teachers, but I cannot did my result up to expected. My result is not out, but I will not get my result, my expected value. So I will strongly suggest you that maintain your health. So and come back in the point that biology, regarding biology, read the textbooks thoroughly, and question answer you can, if you read the textbook you can easily write from the texts, and give diagrams as many as you can, write in points, use black pen, and in scientific name you have to be you have to read the, you have to do correct the spellings. If you do any mistake in spelling, then your whole number will be cut. Underline the genus species name, which one will big, which one will be small. We have to you have to think about that. So regarding biology this much, and in biology there were 70 marks, and your presentation of biology should be good, your handwriting should be good, you should read in para wise, so that your presentation is good. In biology much depends on presentation. So regarding biology, this much, I had get 99 marks in class 10 boards. So biology, so I had followed these techniques. I do not know how much I will get in class 12, but I would follow these tips for my boards exam. My boards exam is over, and if you follow these tips you will get benefited regarding biology exam. And regarding the whole preparation, what I have get lessons, that is that take care of your health. If your health is not good, then you can do nothing. Take care of your physical health, take care of your mental health. Physical health, I would recommend that your weight must be your weight, for my height like 5 feet 2, your weight must be 50 to 60 kgs, in between that, not beyond that. If you are overweight, then you will have diseases. So try to maintain your weight in a healthy way, like not by doing the diets. And you should eat a healthy diet. You must have 1 hour exercise, or 1 hour running, or 1 hour jogging, or 1 hour dancing. Any physical activities you have to involve yourself. And regarding mental health, that you should be always happy, be out of toxic environment, uh, don't listen toxic people, try to avoid them. Many teachers, many friends, many students are toxic, so try to avoid them. If you do not like them, don't read, don't hear their words, because their words affect you very. And there will be many people surrounding you, those who will say that you can't do that. So don't hear the toxic peoples around you, and always maintain a distance from the toxic peoples. Those harms you, those affects your mental health. So I had my gastro problem and many much other physical health problems, so I cannot prepare very much well. So I decided to take a drop by, but my family told me that board marks does not matter. Please do not waste your 1 year on doing boards preparation, as because other competitive exams are also there, that will decide your future. Boards marks will not decide your future, and your preparation is not very much bad. So by hearing their words, I have given, and I have understood that this is the good decision. If I would take 1 year drop, then I will be very much ill, and I cannot even give my boards exam. So I think their advice helped me. Thank you them for their advice. And so the conclusion is, take care of your health, means overall physical health, mental health, everything. So you have to take care of that. This was all about my boards. Due to my health issues, I cannot continue my preparation for entrance exams like NEET, and I am a NEET aspirant. I aspire to give NEET, but I could not give it in current year because of my health issues. My preparation is not so good, so I am going to quota for my NEET preparation. So I think that I will get that environment where I will not be ill. I will continue my studies consistently. I will give the mock test, and I will share among you that how to maintain consistency, what is my mock test score. And I want to help you, because many students are like me, those who are affected very much, and both in their career, in their happiness, in their health, in every way. and they suffer very much. So through this channel I try to help everyone. And if you like my channel, then you can subscribe for more videos. It is up to you. I will not say that please subscribe. It is upon your likings. So I will go to Kota in 27th March through plane. Yeah, I am from West Bengal, so at first I have to go to Shialda station. From Damdam station, as because our airport is in Damdam. Then from Damdam we will get into the Indigo airplane. Then from to airplane, I will we would my aunt, me and my mother would go to Jaipur. Jaipur not. Yes, Jaipur. Then through train, 4 hours of journey, we would go to Kota. By this way, we will in continue our entire journey. I know that it hurts when you leave your family, your relatives, but to do some good, you have to sacrifice. And if you do sacrifice, you will achieve success, you happiness, and you have to do hard work. So I have decided to go to Kota, a city which is far away from my village in which I live. My mother has become very emotional, so you have to you have to say that you are going for preparation. In our house, or in most of the house, there are not environment for preparation, as because there are functions, programs related, uh, enhance, try continue, so in continue in our family. So it is not very much suitable for need preparation. So I have decided to go to Kota, and uh, I did not fear about anything else, because life is all about adventure. There are ups and downs. You have to say that what Alexa says, that raste badlo manzil nahi. You do not change your goal, but the path you will achieve success, you have to change that. If you do not achieve success in one path, you have to go through other path. So I am going to Kota, and if I could not achieve that, my purpose of going to Kota, then I will go through another path, but I will never lose hope. So I am always trying to say that never lose hope. There are always various paths. There are always various paths to guide you to the success. Success not only means that good result. Success means happiness. Your happiness is life is all. So try to be happy and continue in news preparation. And we will see in next blog. Bye everyone. Stay good, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye everyone.